So, hello everybody, we are here in the 6th Annual Manufacturing and Logistic Awards. I am Philippe Beurtheret, I'm the head of CEETRUS in Hungary. We have been a developer for 40 years, and logistic and manufacturing is a relatively new segment for us, and that's why this event is very interesting, because we meet with peers and we try to build up relationships and projects together. So it's a key part of our promotion policy for the area, and I think it's a way as well to show our knowledge to people which could not expect it in this field. And I think it's a great promotion platform, this award, for any company willing to push its services in CE, in manufacturing and logistics. And have a good night.